Today, I'll take you through 5 outfits using tips and tricks to help you create expensive-looking outfits without a hefty price tag. We'll discuss how to choose the right clothing combinations that make you look stylish yet remain affordable. Stick around until the end because I've curated a list of budget-friendly pieces that can easily blend with what you already have in your closet. We all want to look our best, stand out from the crowd, and express our unique style. I love beautiful clothes and accessories, but spending a fortune on them isn't always practical. The good news is you don't have to break the bank to look fashionable. Quality fabrics are important. They should feel comfortable and fit like a glove. Sometimes we get caught up in following trends and trying too hard. While trends are fun, I believe you don't need all the latest pieces to look stylish. It's more about following your personal style, but that is a topic for another video. Another aspect to consider is the color wheel combination. Every woman has her preferences, and colors can have a psychological impact, making some hues feel less desirable. Well, there's so much to discuss, and I'll try my best to cover everything from A to Z. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of looking expensive without spending a fortune. The first combo and what makes it look expensive. A chic and put-together appearance can easily be achieved by opting for a light neutral color palette. Imagine an outfit in shades of white, cream, blush, and nude. These colors work harmoniously to create a cohesive and refined look without clashing. High-quality fabrics are a hallmark of expensive outfits. Think silk, cashmere, and leather. However, you don't need to spend a fortune to get this look. A well-structured bag adds a classic touch of sophistication, making even the simplest outfits look more polished. A structured bag can instantly elevate your outfit. The second combo and what makes it look expensive, elevated basics are a key reason why expensive outfits appear so luxurious. They often use basic items with unique touches like high-waisted white shorts with a pleated front, adding an extra dimension of interest and style. Coco Chanel once said, "Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman." Wearing an unflattering outfit can make even the most expensive pieces look cheap. To avoid this, it's crucial to know which silhouettes to pair together. A classic combination of a fitted top with more voluminous bottoms balances the outfit and hits right at the waistline, creating a flattering figure for almost all body types. High-quality accessories are another simple trick for achieving an expensive look. A silk scarf adds a pop of color and pattern, while classic loafers are always in style. The third combo and what makes it look expensive. A long coat is a timeless piece that will always elevate your outfit to the next level. Even over a basic pair of jeans, a good coat provides clean lines and radiates elegance. When in doubt about creating an expensive look, you can't go wrong with combining classic basics. Items like a button-down shirt, slim-fit jeans, black pumps, and a pair of black sunglasses are considered timeless. Combining these classic pieces is a surefire way to create a sophisticated and expensive-looking outfit. If possible, aim for higher quality basics, as these items will get plenty of wear and are a worthy investment. The fourth combo, and what makes it look expensive. The little black dress LBD is a must-have for every stylish woman, and no closet is complete without it. This timeless piece instantly creates a chic outfit. While you can choose any style, I prefer the modern and luxe look of a long satin or silk version. Adding upscale details like quilting or embellishment can elevate basic items. For example, these black mules with quilted detail add a touch of interest to a simple outfit. Minimal gold jewelry also enhances the look. Simple classic styles like gold hoops and a sleek bangle are perfect options for a signature accessory. The fifth combo, and what makes it look expensive, tailored pieces are essential for achieving an expensive look, as anything ill-fitting or too slouchy can detract from the overall aesthetic. An oversized blazer with tailored details creates a sleek, modern, and super chic appearance. Similarly, a well-fitted pair of trousers is a great addition to your wardrobe. Ensure these pieces are tailored perfectly to avoid issues like too long sleeves or awkward pulling and bunching. Classic black stilettos are another must-have. These timeless heels go with everything and provide a flattering boost of height. The secret to this outfit's expensive look lies in replacing a standard fitted top with a turtleneck bodysuit, offering a seamless, streamlined appearance that is figure-flattering and free of wrinkles or bunching. Now, as promised, let me share some of my favorite items that effortlessly exude chicness and can be mixed and matched to create sophisticated, expensive-looking outfits on a budget. First up is this stunning coat. Can you believe how elegant it looks? You'd never guess it's only $65. It's a timeless piece that won't go out of style. It's available in black and gray as well, in case you're hesitant about the cream color. Next, we have the white cotton shirt. If you haven't checked out H&M yet, you're missing out. Their pieces are not only affordable but also modern and stylish. This crisp white shirt has a great fit and proves that you don't need to spend a lot for quality. Third on the list is this striped top. Neutrals are always a win when aiming for a luxurious look. This mock turtleneck sweater appears high-end but costs less than $60. There's also an alternative version with the colors reversed that's equally appealing. Now let's talk jeans. Finding an inexpensive pair that looks great can be tough, but these wide leg jeans hit the mark perfectly. They're only $30. Why spend $200 when these are available? If jeans aren't your thing, you'll adore these tapered black pants. They come highly recommended for their fit and comfort. They're versatile enough to wear to a casual meeting or dressed up with a silk blouse for an evening out. Another must-have is from Quince. Their pleated skirts are all the rage right now, and when you see this cashmere one, you'll understand why. It's a steal at $99 compared to similar items from high-end retailers. Lastly, this leather tote bag in navy is a gem. It looks far more expensive than its $99 price tag and could easily be mistaken for a much pricier bag from brands like Coach or Kate Spade. It's also available in a lovely cognac color. For those aiming for an old money aesthetic, I highly recommend watching this video for some inspiring ideas.